Welcome to Picmash. Today we are reviewing Boat Rockerz wireless Bluetooth earphone. This comes in 4 color variants: neon, ocean blue, black and red. We are having neon. The package comes with one charger and two pairs of extra ear tips. I don't like this part, so I'm removing this. The 3 buttons in this earphone. First one is volume up button. There's a multi-function button. Second one, middle one, and the last one, volume down. To attend the call, you have to press this once, and to call the last dial number, press this twice. Battery backup, you are getting almost 6-7 hours, and charging it takes around 1.5 hours. Also, it comes with 1 year warranty. You can claim it on their website with the invoice, Amazon invoice, and it takes around 20 days to 30 days for the replacement. I have used the headset for almost a week now. Coming to the sound quality is good. Call quality also really good. But however, if I step out of another room, the quality seems not that great. Now this is where you charge the charging port. And this headset is available in Amazon. The actual price is 2990, but it usually sells for 1499. And when there's a sale, you can even get it for around 899 or 999.